Greetings from Santosh Mutha, heading Genesis Consultancy Services based at Pune. I offer services as a functional consultant in ERP projects as well as operational excellence. I explored several software options in past before finalizing Sourcepro ERP software. Last year in 2024, we decided to go ahead with New Horizon ERP for one of the pioneer press tool manufacturing company Richcam Auto situated at Pimpri-Chinchwad MIDC Pune. Happy to quote that ERP is successfully implemented in 6 months. Highly user-friendly software operated by all its members for any educational background. New Horizon software has helped Richcam Auto in improving efficiency, eliminating duplication of work, and streamlining processes across the operations. This ERP software is also addresses LBT item challenges during the production. I will say LBT is the unique feature of this software. I am sure this software will help the company profitability year on year. Sourcepro team is always ready to resolve any challenges referred or customizations needed. The implementation support and service support is highly satisfactory. I will be happy to refer and implement such a professional ERP software in any organization interested. Please note my contact number 922557896. Thank you very much.